Okay, so today we are sharing in a given ratio, and there's a very important name you need to remember, and it's Adam. So Adam stands for add, divide, and multiply. And that's what we're going to do to solve these two questions. So our first one says share 120 in the ratio 7 to 5. So the first thing we do is the A step, where we add both of those two numbers into the ratio, and it's 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay, so those numbers in the ratio get added together. Step 2, divide. So the amount that we're trying to share out is going to be divided by the amount of shares that we have. So we can work out what effectively one share is worth. 120 divided by 12 is 10. And then finally we're going to multiply. So the A, the second A just being an AND. Now we need to know what 7 shares is worth, and we need to know what 5 shares are worth. In this moment we know what 1 share is worth. 1 share is 10. So we need to know what 7 and 5 are. Now we're lucky, these numbers are quite easy. 7 needs to be multiplied by 10, and the 5 needs to be multiplied by 10, which gives us 70 and 50. So our final answer is 70 to 50. On many occasions I'm asked whether that one needs to be simplified, and when we simplify a ratio, it's because we want to know what it is in its simplest term. This is sharing, so your answer has to add up to the amount that we've shared out. If we just simplified that, we'd end up back at 7/5, and that's no good. Okay, our second question, we're going to be sharing 81 into the ratio 1 and 8. So we add, we do 1 plus 8, which gives us 9. We then divide our amount, which is 81, that's divided by our 9. 81 divided by 9 is 9 as well. Try to follow that, don't get confused. This is what 1 share is worth. And finally our multiply stage, where we have our 1 and our 8 from our ratio, and that gets multiplied by 9. 1 times 9 is 9, 8 times 9, 72. So our answer is 9 to 72, and that's our final answer. Okay, on the next slide you're going to have some questions. Have a good go at it. If there's a little bit here that you wanted to go over again, feel free to pause the video, go back over some of the content. Good luck.